friends, welcome to Pro Talent and I'm Nitin Parmar. If you are looking at IIM IPM preparation and you require an online program, then the Pro Talent has a wonderful online program. We ensure that in this online program, you get conceptual clarity, you get enough practice on each concept, you get enough training for each section for a lot of practice, okay? And you will get a lot of mock tests. Yes, mock tests are very important. So my dear students, okay, in this year end, that is 2021 is ending, and Pro Talent is providing you wonderful mega offer for IIM IPM program. We have 3 courses available for you. One is, you can say, live online classes. Number 1, the new batch are starting from 4th of January. Okay. Then you have a study material and you have a test series. So in case you are taking our online class, okay, then the study material and test series are included in it. You are not required to take separate course for that. Okay, if you take only study material, then test series is automatically included. If you take test series, it is an online test series. Okay, dosto, we believe that the students who are going for IIM IPM, they require a lot of rigorous conceptual knowledge on all important areas. Obviously, in your IIM IPM, not all mathematical, you can say, concepts are being asked in a large number. So we provide proper analysis to you that which areas are very important. Is that very comfortable? Yes. Number 1. Number 2, we ensure that the level of questions which are basically being asked in the IIM IPM examination, those difficulty level questions are being prepared for you. High quality questions are prepared and they are updated every year, okay, so that you are getting proper support. In addition to that, we also give you wonderful doubt clearing session. In doubt class, you can raise any kind of questions which are, you can say, troubling to you. We ensure the good fundamental for quant. We ensure the good vocab, grammar and logical thinking for reading comprehension and verbal ability. And then obviously your logical reasoning section for a lot of other exams like GPMAT or IIM IPM Rohtak or NPAT or Symbiosis or CRISE, that will be covered in a full-fledged manner. So my dear students, don't wait. This is a wonderful opportunity. At this price, at such an economical price, you will not get this course in future. So this is wonderful for you to take it. 11,999, that is at 12,000 rupees, you are getting a full support till your exam. Similarly, at 8,000 rupees, you get study material, and for 3,000 rupees, you are getting IIM IPM course. That is a test series program. Okay, great. So this is offer available till 2nd of January. In this video's description link, I'm going to put direct link to this, you can say, courses which you can join online. That's a very simple online process. You have a, you can say, direct link. You see the program structure, pay the fees and join it. Okay. The batches are going to start from 4th of January. Okay. So once you join the program, you get automatical access to all the courses. Okay. But the live classes are going to start from 4th of January. Is that comfortable? Great. In case you have any further query about our program, don't miss out to call us on 9377 481915. You will get, you can say, Namrata Madam on this number and you can ask your doubt. Ideally, I suggest you to call her. You can say, before calling her, send a WhatsApp message, okay, so that she can call you back and you can get a proper guidance from us. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this. Don't miss out to get this benefit till 2nd of January. Okay. Great. Thank you and all the best.